Let's start off with the concept of multilingual support, which can be supported with the help of Phalcon framework. So for now, I can show that I have two files associated over here, that is en.php and fr.php. en.php is the messages content which specifies for all the English messages, and fr.php is nothing but the messages content which is associated. It consists of an array of the French messages. So let's start off with creating a controller and how we get a visualization of this message, how it is displayed, and how localization can be possible with the help of Phalcon framework. So first of all, let's start with creating a particular controller. So that is Phalcon controller name, that is controller. The name of the controller is, for example, users. So users controller has been created successfully. So I have created the controller over here. So I'm going to play around with this controller for getting it manipulated perfectly the way I need it. So inside the controller, I'm going to use a function. First is inside index action, there will be a particular set of commands which is to be executed. Before that, I will use a function named message translation, which is nothing but a protected function for the Phalcon controller. So I'll say protected function get message translation. So this is my function. Here I'll say asking for the best language. So I'll say ask for the best language, display output. So I'm going to display the output. So display the output in desired language. So I'm going to say require. First of all, I'll display in English. So I'll say require en.php. Now I'm going to return a translation object. So that is nothing but the set of the objects which is to be translated. Let's return a translation object. So that will be return a translation object, that is return new native array. So I'm going to return it. So inside native array, I'll specify the array. So the array will be mentioned in this format, that is content equal to whatever like messages you need to specify, that is messages content. Okay. So I have done the necessary manipulations which is to be done inside the message translation method. So let's check out for index translation. So index translation is the method which will help me to translate a value. So for example, I'll say dollar this. I have a French message and which I'm going to get translated to the English one. So my name and the next is view. I'm specifying view over here because whatever the output is this, we are going to give it redirect to the view. So I'll say view song equal to, for now my song is my favorite song. Next is I'm going to specify the other parameter which is t, which is a meta parameter. Dollar view t equal to dollar this get message translation. So I've done with it. Now inside index, so inside the views we'll create another folder. So my folder will be user folder. So inside users folder in short. Inside users I'll create a new file, other file, empty file. So that file will be index.volt. Okay, so here I'll specify for two parameters, the name and the song. So I'll mention it in paragraph. So in paragraph I'll say PHP echo $T scope. The parameters are nothing but over here there's the name and the song which is to be presented. The name and the song which is to be presented. So in the similar way we'll do for song. So same thing over here. We'll mention the parameter song. The song and the variable name will be song. So we have call for it. We have different parameters over here. The parameter here is hi name, embedding with the name. So let's run this particular view and check it out. So for example, say now for demo 1, users, native array not found in user controller.php. Okay, let's check what's the error. Line number 30, native array not found. So we need to define the native. So let's yeah, the native array is being defined. Let's run the browser again. The French message which is to be described. So this message is saved over there which says hello, your name and your favorite song which is being printed, and it is being displayed as and when required. So this is the way localization helps with the PHP framework.